Hey everyone, here Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm checking out one of the most anticipated accessories for the iPhone. It's the Juice Pack, and it's back. Now we have it for the 10, 10S, 10S Max, and 10R. So if you've owned an iPhone before, you've probably had one of these on, but it's been a while since we've had a battery case of this quality, or really a great battery case for the iPhone 10 and newer devices. Now Mophie is back with the Juice Pack Access, which is $119.95. And there's some really cool features about this. So all of these phones support wireless charging. Well, this case will charge wirelessly, and then when you flip it over, your phone's gonna go right here and it's gonna wirelessly charge your phone. And what that means is the bottom is wide open. So you still have access to that port right there. And what that means is if you have wired headphones, which a lot of people do, you're gonna be able to plug those in with no issue, whether they're lightning or whatever. You also have access to that for CarPlay, which is gonna be really nice when you're taking this from place to place. And then you can also charge this Juice Pack Access with USB-C, so there's no more of that annoying trying to figure out which way the cable goes in from micro USB. And you might not even need that in most cases, because this is going to charge wirelessly. So you just put this on your car's wireless charger, the wireless charger in your office, or the wireless charger in your bedroom, and you really can get by without ever plugging your phone in. And then when you're on the go, you can simply turn this on. You can see we have the 3 lights that tell you how much battery life you have left, and it's going to wirelessly charge your phone. So what's really great is, since you have that battery pack built in with wireless charging in and wireless charging out, you're going to have all of the technology that you need to make sure you stay charged without worrying about your phone coming out or falling off of a wireless charger that you're trying to keep it on in a bag or something like that. You can find these in late Q1 of 2019, and they look like a really great accessory for your iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, 10s Max, and the iPhone 10R. If you found this video useful, please leave us a like, comment, and let us know which one of these you're most interested in, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.